Hi everybody, Cynthia here. Going to talk about strawberries today and how to take care of your strawberries in August or early September when they need your attention. So what I do after my June-bearing strawberries stop producing is I begin to pull out or clip off the new runners. So this is a strawberry runner, and this is a new strawberry plant. And if I left this on the plant, this runner would continue. It would put on another plant start, and then another and another, and it would fill this whole thing up with new plants and be too crowded. So I'm going to show you now how I go about cleaning out my strawberry bed and fertilizing it to get it ready for spring. So you can see how these grow. This is where I cut them off, right here at the plant. This is a runner. This is another runner just off of this one plant. I've already done this a couple of times. You can see we have some new growth coming in the center of this plant. That's a really good thing. And you can see that I have some weeds down here. So while I'm cleaning up my bed, taking off the runners, I'm also weeding and cleaning out the dead leaves and such. Strawberries tend to live about 5 years. So in the 4th year of life, you can let these runners go and then plant the plants in another area where you're going to start your new strawberry bed, and you'll put something else in the bed where your strawberries were for these 4 years. So anyway, right now is a really good time for me to fertilize my strawberries with all-purpose fertilizer. So all I'm going to do is take some handfuls like this of our all-purpose fertilizer that we recommend. It's a 555 variety. And then I'm just going to put, dig this fertilizer into the top couple of inches, just scratch it in with my fingers like this. And then while I'm doing it, I can kind of even out the soil depth because it changes over the summer with all of our watering and such. So that's how we take care of our June-bearing strawberry plants at the end of the summer. Now, there are also ever-bearing strawberry plants and day-neutral strawberry plants. And they put out fewer runners, but they do put them out. And so that is all the same kind of a pruning out process. But since the ever-bearing and the day-neutral varieties of strawberries are going to put on more fruit in the fall, you can wait until after your fall harvest of strawberries and then do exactly what I'm doing here right now today. So it's just a little bit of a time difference between doing the June-bearing and the ever-bearing and getting them all cleaned up for the spring harvest. So thanks for coming. You can come on in anytime and we can show you how to take care of your strawberries, and then your family can be eating bowls of strawberries instead of just 1 or 2. Thanks for watching.